Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Connect the disabled iPhone to a computer with the latest iTunes or Finder. Once connected, force restart the device to enter recovery mode. This is required to reinstall iOS. Make sure you have a reliable USB cable and internet so the computer can download firmware. If Find My iPhone is on, you'll need your Apple ID later. Otherwise, you may face activation lock. Keep patience. The download can take several minutes, depending on your connection. Once the computer detects an iPhone in recovery, choose Restore, Not Update to wipe passcode and reinstall iOS. This is the only way to remove the disabled state. The software will download the firmware and perform the restore automatically. If the download times out or exceeds about 15 minutes, the phone may exit recovery and you must repeat the force restart. After restore completes, you'll move through activation. At that point, you can restore from an iCloud or local backup if available. After restore, the iPhone will reboot to activation. Enter your Apple ID credentials when prompted to bypass activation lock. If the restore fails or you see error codes, try a different USB cable or port, update iTunes/Finder, and retry on another computer. These simple fixes resolve most errors. If you hit persistent errors or the device won't enter recovery, consider contacting Apple support or visiting an authorized service provider. Remember, if the device is not...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.